Good morning. Hey guys, Tia and Andy here, and today we're going fully loaded. Well, we're here at MacGregor Point again, and we're camping, and we're testing out some of our new gear, and of course we brought the bikes with us. So today is our first day going in what we call fully loaded. Andy, take it away.
Alright guys, we have our panniers, the tent that we are probably not going to take, but this would be the worst case scenario in terms of bulk and weight. Inside our panniers we have pretty much clothes for 2 to 3 days, some food, and all the rest of the gear. I have some patch kits, I have a power bank, and our phone. So this is probably going to be the weight that we're going to be carrying. So we're going to test it out and see how it goes.
Well, I feel like we've said this in another vlog before, but we only made it about 5 minutes away from the campsite, and what happened? What's going on?
Well, take a look. One of the straps fell down and it got jammed. So now we gotta figure out how to rip this out, and then we're good to go. So what's the lesson here?
Tie your damn straps up.
Make sure that the straps are tied down right, and tires really don't like it if they get stuck in things. Ugh.
Strap tied down. All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Well, we're just doing some random exploring today. We found a new trail. This is part of the Bruce trails, and it seems like it just goes forever. So, I don't know. We'll see where it takes us. This road is not great for our bikes because we have skinny tires for the road, but we're gonna make it work. Thumbs up, Andy. Well, I think we missed filming part of our day. So let me give you a quick recap on what happened. We got back to our campsite after doing 25.6 kilometers on the bike. It was kind of just like a really chill bike ride all the way back to the park. Then we did some filming and taste testing of some dehydrated freeze-dried food. We hit up the beach and took a nap, and now we're sitting by the fire. Oh, and the fire got in my eyes. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. So yeah, we're just spending the rest of the night here by the fire because it's nice and warm and we're just chilling out. Oh, we're also cooking some potatoes.